Here, I just found out that when you launch XAMPP controller as a normal user, you may have this warning. Okay, so this is not difficult to fix. Okay, what you need to do is go back to your XAMPP installation directory, controller, properties, comparability. Here, run this program as an administrator. That's it. That's why at the beginning of installation, it gives you a warning. You have to do something about UAC. So double click, you just start it, then you don't need it anymore, you stop. Let's see when you exit, what happens. Nothing happens. Okay, that's how you fix that problem. Okay, please make sure you remember that. Okay, thank you.